Hello viewers, in this video we are going to discuss that how computer works. Before starting this question, first let me describe you what the computer is. Basically, computer is an electronic device. It is just like another electronic device at your home, like fridge, TV, cooler. In the same way, computer is also an electronic device. It takes data as input, process it, and gives the output. It works in three steps. The first one is take the input. The second one is do the processing on inputted data, and the third one is give the output to the user. In the first step, it take the input of data. Data is provided by user to the computer with the help of input devices like numbers, letters, images. You provide it to the computer, and these data goes to CPU. In the second step, CPU CPU take that data and apply some operations like addition, multiplication, and logical operations, right? These type of operation are performed inside the CPU. After applying these operation, CPU generate an output, and that output send to output device like the monitor, printer, right, where the printer and monitor shows you result or print your result. So these are the three steps that computer works, in which computer works. These are the stages computer face during its working. The first stage, input stage where data is collected, data is captured, or data is encoding, or data is transmitted by input devices to CPU. In the second stage, processing stage, here CPU comes in existence, all performs all the instructions and the apply all the operation like addition, multiplication, and after performing these operation, CPU send these result to output device like the monitor and printer, where the output device decode this data and show to the user. Okay, so in these three steps computer works. So you came to know that computer works in three steps. Okay, after and let me describe you some more descriptive this. In these three steps, look at this figure and you will get more knowledge about this. The first step, number one, input will be given with the help of input device. In the second one, the operation or performed given data with the help of main memory, and the data is, after processing, the data is sent to output devices to show the result. Hope you will understand very well the working of computer. Thank you.